Good morning, y'all. It's Privateer coming to you. Give me 1 second here. Cause I'm just too hyper all the time. Anyway, real quick, I'm building a kind of a basic as it gets emergency car kit for a friend of mine. Couple packages of tissues. There's those little ones I got at the dollar store the other day. A fire steel, pack of Instafire, a little Mylar blanket, a few hand warmers. And when it comes to the food, it's a thing of masala. It's a vegetable thing. It's a vegetarian menu set up there. She is a vegetarian, so hence that. Anyway, a couple of energy bars in there, whole bunch of peanut butter, which makes up honestly the majority of the caloric value of this pouch, but 2,480 calories, and 7 packs of emergency drinking water, for a total. There's 7 packs at 4.225 ounces for a total of 29.57 ounces. Yeah, again, this is all just, with something she's not really into prepping. I asked her if she had a car kit. She didn't. And by the way, who's that guy? Anyway, yeah, put all this together real quick just for a quick car kit for her. Got to send it off in the mail later on today, so that's kind of why I had to pause. Had to pause you, Wayne. Anyway, y'all have a blessed day. It's Privateer. I'm out.